In this video, we'll learn how to convert a video to black and white easily in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's start. First, make sure you have a clip placed on the timeline and select the clip. Now, go to the Properties panel on the right side. Scroll to find Lumetri Color. If it's not visible, you can also open Lumetri Color from the Color workspace, but ideally, you can find it in the right side panel here. Inside Lumetri Color, look for the Basic Correction section. Here you can see Saturation slider. By default, saturation is set to 100, which means full color. Simply drag the saturation slider all the way down to 0. The moment you do this, your clip becomes black and white. This method removes all color while keeping brightness and contrast intact, giving you a clean monochrome look. If you want, you can slightly adjust contrast, the highlights or shadows in Lumetri Color to make the black and white look more dramatic. But this is optional, and that's it. You now know how to convert a video to black and white quickly and cleanly in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.